Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the gentleman I was trying to help yesterday sent me the picture, or no, now he sent me a picture yesterday. Now he sent me the Corel file, and I can tell more about it. I don't know 100% that this will help, but we're going to try this. We're going to just, these are individual parts, and we're just going to move them out of the way. Try to do it in some sort of order so I can put them back. And we're going to take all these and take away the outline. So now they're just fills. So real carefully and kind of zoom in here, and I'm not 100% sure this is still it, but if you will grab that node, it should snap right to that other node, and then take this and get your forehand cross and have it snap to that node. The end ones are a little bit harder, but you can grab that node and put it right on that node. Zoom in every once in a while to make sure you're there, and we are. Grab this one. Make sure you get that 4-point cross, and it should snap right to that node, and you'll see node. Now this one will need to do from that center part. This one will have to do from the end again, but make sure you get that 4-point line. And then do this last one and put it right in that hole. He does some pretty good work. But then what you could do is right-click outline. Now they didn't get away where the outlines are double, but at least they do meet and don't have any extra lines. And I actually have another one coming. I'll make another one. My mathematical guy came up with something else. Anyway, that's another way to do it. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.